everybody's having as much fun shopping Prime Day as I am. Anyway, my name is Morrissey, and these are my picks. You can see them down in the carousel below. I'm new to streaming here on Amazon, so thank you for your welcome, and I so appreciate your views. Please follow me. I would love to have more people following me so that as I go on this journey, you can see how I grow and I become better at serving you and finding the deals that you are interested in. So anyway, welcome to my channel. And what I'm going to show you right now is the Fire TV. I originally bought a Fire TV stick, which is playing on my TV here. I wanted to give you a little demo. I travel a lot, and I travel for a living, and when you travel and you're in hotel rooms, you kind of get bored. There's only so many sightseeings you can see, and if you're a world traveler, you know what I mean. You always need your downtime, and when you have your downtime, you want all of your apps in one location. And it is fabulous that Amazon has put together a Fire TV. This is a very simple one. If you look down below, there's a deal on the Fire TV Lite. So that's in my carousel down below. And if you just want to try out something simple, that's the one to get. There are several different types, and just get the one that's suited to you, but I'm highlighting the one that they have on sale for the Prime Deal days. So this is what it looks like. So here's my TV. This is a 60-inch TV, and what it does at the top, it gives you the previews of everything that Amazon is showcasing at this time. Look, it says today you can get Yellowstone for $9.99. And so down below, and it just showcases whatever that is. And then down below, you have a home button over there. You see the home. And on the home, it shows all of your apps. Now, the apps are things that you've already purchased. And so you can either purchase them separately and then sign in with your email if you've already got them, if you've already purchased them somewhere else. But of course, Amazon makes it really easy to buy on Fire TV, and you can add channels and buy them here. And you can also buy movies and things like that as well. So here's just a few of my apps. And then at the very end, it has all of the channels that I have. I've got a lot. I love entertainment. So then I'm going back to my home store, and down here it shows all of the apps that you can possibly get, and then you can add all of these to whatever viewing experience that you want. And there's anything from sports, other social media channels, all of the big channels you can see here. I won't call them out because, you know, it's Amazon Day, so let's just highlight Amazon, right? So these are all the things that you can possibly get, and then you can download other ones, and that is nice. So then you only have to log into one device, and it's already on there. Sorry, I'm hitting the home button. Coming back to home, if you go next to it, it shows what's live. So these are things that are live either on Amazon or any of the other apps that you purchase. If they have live media as well, then that would show down below. Live sports, breaking news, Freevee, which used to be IMBD TV by Amazon. It's now called Freevee. So that shows all the things that are playing. Got quite a bit going on here. Next up, apparently it's Pluto, Amazon Live Shopping. Yay, shout out to all of those that are showing up right here on my feed. Congratulations, people. I'm so glad to be part of your community. And here it shows the different free live TVs if you want to go into all of those individually. I know this can kind of be overwhelming to some people who have never seen this before, but it just offers so much. And like I said, down below in the carousel, there's a sale on the Lite Fire TV, so now's a good time to purchase that, or one of the other ones, like I said. And it says your live and upcoming events, all of the Prime Video channels. So this just shows all of them that are available. Oh, no, it doesn't. So I guess those are the ones being suggested to me at this time. Then it has live TV sources, your guide, your favorite, parental controls, of course, and then settings. But I really love it because it also has Alexa. Let me go back to home. at the very top here, it has Alexa, and she's so helpful. Alexa, will you get me a recipe for baked chicken?
Finding some baked chicken recipes. Okay, for baked chicken, here's a few recipes.
And then you can go through this, and it makes it so easy. Alexa, will you set me a timer for 5 minutes?
5 minutes, starting now.
And then if you want to set a second one, you can also. So this is great too, especially when you're cooking and if you can watch TV. My kitchen's right behind me, so I have a view of this, and it's great. Anyway, these are all the things that I've recently watched. Once again, if you want to go into one of your favorites up here, let's go into Prime Video. You would click on Prime. Yay! And it says, welcome back, Mary. And then up here at the top, it says home, free to me, and it lists everything that's free. And this is just on my one channel. This is just on the Prime channel. So comedy movies, drama movies, mystery and thriller movies, popular movies. And then it gives suggestions, of course, to what you watched before. Prime Popular TV. I'm just switching through so the volume doesn't come on. Anyway, once again, just follow me please and check out the deals in the carousel. I found a lot, and if you follow me, then you will also get the live Prime deals that I am finding moment by moment. And if you want to, you can also follow me on Instagram. And what I'm doing in my Instagram stories, which is @MaryMorrisseyOfficial, I'm putting great deals that I find in the moment, and I'm posting those to my stories with the links so you can get them while they're hot and get them before they're gone. You know how that goes if you've enjoyed this before. Anyway, that's it for now. I've got a lot of great deals below. This was going to be short and sweet. Just wanted to introduce myself and get to know you. And thank you so much for welcoming me in today. And I hope to see you soon, okay? Check back in on me. Bye.